Hi, I'm Cairo John Doe at LA Times Studios. Here are some of today's top headlines from the Los Angeles Times. The Justice Department says Jeffrey Epstein's sex trafficking client list does not exist despite Attorney General Pam Bondi's claim a few months back that it was on her desk awaiting release. Reporters Eric Tucker and Alana Durkin-Richer say the Department of Justice acknowledged Epstein did not have a list. They ruled the financier's death in his New York City cell a suicide and declared they will not release any more evidence related to the case. This contradicts Bondi's previous statement that a client list exists and that new evidence was going to be released after the FBI reviewed tens of thousands of recordings that showed Epstein with, quote, children or child porn. The Justice Department says no further disclosure would be appropriate or warranted after reviewing evidence for months and added that a court sealed most of the materials to protect victims. Masked federal immigration agents in unmarked vehicles and plain clothes are spreading fear and confusion in Los Angeles communities. National correspondent Jenny Jarvis says the agents reportedly concealed their identities to protect themselves from doxing on social media. Critics say this practice escalates tensions, that agents aren't in more danger than police officers who always display their badge numbers, and that it could lead to deadly confrontations. The Constitution and federal law does not say agents can't wear masks, and the Department of Homeland Security does not plan to ask its agents to drop them. But experts agree that recognizable uniforms and insignia are standard for law enforcement. California and 17 other states are not accepting this argument. The states formed a coalition and announced their support for a lawsuit challenging the constitutionality of recent immigration raids in Los Angeles. That's it for now. To read these stories and more, be sure to subscribe to the LA Times.